Welcome in the Boneyard Garage. Hope you can hear me. I have my heater working today. It's a little chilly and damp. But I went over to my father's house and picked up some more new old stock. Made another load. So I'm gonna get this stuff out on my lift, spread it out, and I'll show you what I got this time. Okay, so I got the stuff spread out on the lift. As you can see, I got a lot more stuff. If you haven't seen my last video, which I'll put in the description, you know, I went there and got a lot of stuff a few weeks ago, and I did a video on that. So I went back. Every time I get a chance, I go and get a little more. So what we got today is a lot of mufflers, Briggs & Stratton 3.5 rotaries. These are the Briggs & Stratton 3.5s, like that was on the rototillers and stuff like that. Some Tecumseh mufflers. Got a 8-horse muffler right there for Briggs. These are a little rusty, but they were new. They were sitting in the spot of the shop where it was leaking a little bit, but they're still fine. Got a Kohler muffler, the only one he had there. More Briggs & Stratton. These are same as these. Some more Tecumseh. Get it out here. Box. And you can use these on whatever. It don't have to be Tecumseh or Briggs. I think these are pretty much the same as these. Got some more Tecumseh air filters. Some Briggs air filters. These are some Barons for Toros. I think they're for the Toro walk behind, but I'm not sure. Ring sets, Briggs & Stratton ring sets, Tecumseh ring set, some more Briggs & Stratton, some recoil springs, some more recoil springs, condensers for Tecumsehs. It's just some miscellaneous stuff. Gaskets for air cleaners, some more points for Briggs, needle valves, valve for Tecumseh. And these are fuel pump repair kits for the Briggs. What else I get here? There's so much stuff. Ring set for Kawasaki. Valves for Kawasaki. Connector rod for Kawasaki. And another valve for Kawasaki. All brand new, old stock. This bag. Let me set this up a little bit here. Here's a twin cylinder coil for Briggs with electronic ignition. 2 spark plug wires. I have a couple more of those somewhere that I took before. Briggs & Stratton recoil. Should have took some of this stuff out of the bag. Anyway, what that is. These are all Tecumseh parts. A little bit of everything. I got like I don't know how many of these. I wish I can't get anything out of the back boxes. I don't know if you guys know what they're for. They're for the air filters on the older Tecumsehs that slip on. And that was a clamp to hold them on there. Got a ton of those. A lot of... that's the needle valve. I just gotta go through everything. I got a bunch of the pull cord handles. For the Tecumsehs, which, like I said before, they fit anything. So that's some of the stuff I got. I just gotta find a place to put it now. These are some more of the old style Tecumseh air filters. These are for like the 3-horse. Yeah. I don't know. I did put a video up a while back. I did a little tour of my dad's shop. I'll put that video in the description also, if you want to check that out. But, and this still, I haven't even touched the belts, the blades, and then get to the used parts that he kept. Ton of used parts. So, ain't gonna be able to get everything. But I'm trying to save what I can before the old shop falls in, because it's not worth fixing. And no one around here works on the older stuff, really, other than me. And like I showed you in the video before, all the head gaskets that I got and stuff like that. More air filters. And like I said, I'll put that video in the description also. And I'm just trying to think what else is there. I mean, a lot of chainsaw bars that I got to bring. You got a mess of those. I got to bring them back. And a lot of blades, ton of blades. And I don't even know what half of them fit. I remember they were there hanging when I was a little kid. So, but you never know. You might come across something that needs a blade, and you might have it. If I have a place to put it, store it, I'll grab them. And like I said, a lot of used parts. He's got a lot of chainsaw and weed eater and backpack blower parts. Like he took off the air filter housings and the pull cords and a lot of the plastic stuff. And they're just in tubs there. Same with the chainsaws. Little Wonder hedge clippers. The old Little Wonders. I got a lot of the electric motors. The blades. Handles and switches. And they got a lot of that brand new old stock there also. So I might grab some of that, because I actually got a couple of those Little Wonders myself. So yeah, I gotta find out where I'm gonna put it all. I'm running out of room. And I also, up in the other storage, I got some big boxes, wooden boxes, crates that I got from work when people deliver stuff, and they were going to smash them up, so I took them. And I got extra engines in there. Yeah, just a bunch of stuff in there also. Tires, wheels, a lot of rotary, push mower wheels, and I got some tires for the walk behind Bobcats and Toros. And you got a bunch of pulleys there too for the Toros and Bobcats and the older walk behinds. So I'm probably got to clean my little shelf up there that I displayed some of my stuff. I have to take that down to put some of this. That little bin right there is empty. I took the nuts and bolts out of there and put them in this one, so I could fill that up with some stuff. But yeah, we'll find room. If not, I'll get a couple more of those tubs, those Rubbermaid tubs, and put them in that and put them somewhere. And these little green drawers come from there too, which these got, whenever he took a weed eater or something apart, he put all the little screws and the little pull cord things. He kept all that stuff, which comes in handy. I use the heck out of it. You get something that needs a screw or whatever. You know, let's see what else is in here. Like the throttles, gas caps, some diaphragms in there. So just some miscellaneous stuff. And these are all different washers for the universal blades with all the little notches in them. Kept all them. He wasn't much for throwing anything out, which is good, I guess. Look at the carburetor floats that he kept. And there's a lot of that stuff still there. So okay guys, I just wanted to give you a little update on the second run down to my dad's house. And hit me up if you need anything. See something that you might need? If I can ship it in the mail, I'll be happy to ship it to you. Because I'm not going to use all those mufflers, I don't think. I might, you never know. A lot of the new mowers don't have that style anymore. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to end the video here. I got to get all this stuff put away tonight so I can bring some machines in here, get them out of the weather. Okay guys, you know the routine. Hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment if you have any questions or whatever. I'll be more than happy to try to answer them if I can. And if you don't like the video, hit the thumbs down. Just leave a comment, tell me why. That's all. Everybody got their opinion. And, you know, it might change the way I do my videos. Try to make them a little better. Okay guys, till the next time. Boneyards out. Have a good night.